Hello, Jackson. What you doing? Are you 3 months old today? Are you 3 months old? What do you have to say about that? What is that? It's a camera. Hello, camera. Hello, camera. And Mommy! Hi, Mommy! Hi, Jackson! Oh, you're such a happy boy! You're such a happy boy! We were supposed to go to our meeting tonight, but believe it or not, you have a cold. You wouldn't know it though, would you? Would you know it? You wouldn't know you had a cold. You're way too busy being cute. I know. Do you make Mommy happy? Oh, yes you do. Oh, you're the cutest little boy. I know. I know. What a happy guy. What a happy little guy. Yeah. What's going on? Who's a sweet pea? Oh, it's ever so exciting. Oh my goodness, hello. Look how active you are. I have a feeling you're gonna run me ragged when you're older. Are you gonna run me ragged? You are. Are you gonna make the other two look calm? I thought so. I thought so. Say goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. See you later. Wave, wave. Oh, look, you're so smart. Look at you waving. Oh, yes. It's because you're a genius at 3 months old. Bye-bye.